Let's talk a little bit about the differences between synthetic hair and real human hair wigs. So, what's the difference between the two? The truth is, there are a lot of differences. The first major difference is texture. The texture of this beautiful human hair wig is silky and smooth, while the texture of this synthetic wig is coarse and rough. You can tell that the human hair, you can just run your fingers through it. So smooth. Second major difference has to do with styling tools. You cannot use hot tools on synthetic hair like you can on this wig. I can run a hot curling iron or flat iron through this just like you would natural growing human hair, but it'll melt on the iron if it's synthetic hair, and that's no fun at all. So, synthetic hair, no heat tools. Number 3, no chemical treatments. Synthetic hair cannot be colored, it cannot be highlighted, it also can't be permed or permanently straightened. So you're just really limited with synthetic hair. Whereas with this beautiful human hair piece, you can see the gorgeous highlights. Synthetic hair is just a big no. At Charle-A Hair Studio, we only use the very best quality of human hair on the market, and consultations are private and free. Please visit our website at charle.com for more information.